How to fix MX Player app not working problem. Hi everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to fix MX Player not opening issue. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch your Play Store or App Store on your device. Search for MX Player. If you see any updates of MX Player, try updating the app in order to get rid of different kinds of bugs and glitches on your application that creates app not working or opening issue. Once you do that, you need to try opening your app. If your app is not working or opening, go to settings on your device. Scroll down. Tap mobile network. Select your SIM card. Tap on preferred network type. Tap on auto option. Come back. Tap access point names. Tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. Select reset access points and reset your access points. Come back. Select Wi-Fi. Make sure your internet connection is stable. If your Wi-Fi is poor, it might create app not working issue. If your Wi-Fi is not good, you need to switch between the mobile data. And you need to see whether your issue hasn't persisted or not. Tap connection and sharing. Turn on airplane mode for a while, and you need to turn it back after 2 or 3 seconds. Exit from the section. Scroll down. Select Apps. Open App Management. Tap search bar at top of the screen. Type in MX Player. On App Info section, tap Storage Uses. Clear the cache and clear the data. This will help us get rid of glitches on the app. Tap Battery Uses. Tap Force Stop to force stop the app. And that's it. That is how we fix MX Player app not working problem. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, then hit the like button. Subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.